here's YallaChat app. So let's just go through some quick overview what this app is about. As it's entering top charts in the US App Store. This app is one of these, random video chat apps, but also, it's also messaging app, group chatting, secure messaging, and all of that. Enjoy free voice and video calls anywhere, anytime. Download YallaChat now to keep in touch with people who matter to you. You have secure messaging, you have voice and video calls, mini games, add-on reminders, you can share moments, everything like that. So let's just open the app, and here is the app here. So you have chats, then you have contacts, and then you have moments. You can just go, and here is some example of the chat. You can add friends here in the top right part. You need to search by YallaChat IDs. So here is like my ID, for example. You can reset this QR code, then you can just show to your friends it, and that's about that. You can auto add contacts. There are like phone contacts, scan QR code. You can start a new chat in top right. Then there are contacts like this. You can create groups, you can add new friends. Then there are moments. And then you can just share something and post it to everyone, and then you can just change privacy, and that's basically how this is working. And then you can just post it yourself. Just post this moment. It's basically it's very visual, so it's not text first, it's like image first or video first, and you just share that. And then you have all the start messages available here. Then there are some moments, then there are games and minis. You can also play some games in this app. So that's that. And then then there are also settings. In case you want to delete your account, just go here in account security and tap on 3 dots in top right, and then from here you can just tap to delete an account. Then you also have chats. You can have delete chats, delete all chats. So and then there is privacy, and then network test language. You can log out. If you want to edit your profile, just tap to edit profile, select username, select your gender, select your country. You can change your profile picture here. So this app overall is kind of like a WhatsApp. It's popular in some countries. So if you're creating an account, you see in the priority of phone numbers, it's like US or some like Arabic countries mostly. So like different regions like their own apps. So something like that. And that's the idea. Hope you enjoy it. And that's that. That's the app. Definitely give it a try if you've heard about it or not. Maybe your friends are using it. This is just tutorial for you to have a very basic understanding how this app looks like and what you can expect from it. Thank you for watching.